In the previous video, we have seen how to install Google Analytics script to your HTML website. In this video, I would like to show you how to track visitor data or metrics using Google Analytics. Go to Google, type Google Analytics or analytics.google.com and log in with your Google account. You can see this home page. See, this is my client website, my client properties. Let me show you how to analyze the visitor data. Click this one. See, this is the overview. And here you can track the data. Okay, date range, custom, you can give any date range, today, yesterday, last week, last month, 7 days and 30 days. Pretty self-explanatory. I just need the data for a month. Okay, click apply. So you click apply, you'll get the data. See, this is the overview. How many sessions we had, users, page view, average session for my client website, language. Okay, so go to audience, click overview. You will get this particular page. Okay, and see the country, which country their traffic is coming from. See, this client is investing a lot of money on Google AdWords, Bing ads, and Facebook advertising. Okay, so we only want laser targeted traffic. So let me show. Yeah, you are getting traffic from this particular countries. Click view full report. Let me see all the countries. Just put the cursor here. Just move the cursor. You can see the sessions. How popular the website is worldwide. From where the traffic is coming from. It is a global website. So bring down. Yeah, I need all the rows, all the info. Yeah, see traffic from which country it is coming from, session, new user, bounce rate, pages viewed, average session, goal conversion. If you do code, you can convert it here. Okay, so the traffic, how many visitors have visited the page from that particular country. Google Analytics record that particular IP. India, United States. See the traffic globally, Canada, United Kingdom, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia. See, this is the data for past 1 month. Okay, this data is very important so that I can optimize the page, website for the same. I need to know, audience overview. And the city, from which country the traffic is coming from. This is the city. Right now it is only showing 10 pages. If you need the full report, click full report. Yeah, just move the cursor there. From which city the traffic is coming from. This data is very important. Okay, so that I can optimize my page, add a new image, new video, or add a content relevant to that particular country or city. See the visitors from that particular city, visitors by city. This is the city name. Okay, and let me show you overview. What city, the browser they use, which browser they use, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, the data, the operating system they use, Android, Windows, iOS. See the numbers so that I can optimize the site for the check your website is loading properly in these particular browsers, and the service provider, that is the ISP. This is the ISP and their numbers, and the mobile operating system. Android is the majority and few people come from Apple, Windows, iPhone, BlackBerry. This data is very important. Okay, service provider, the ISP, screen resolution, active users. See, this is very important. Okay, you can check the demographics, demography overview, the age groups. Okay, the age group in the 2750 are the majority traffic. Majority of the traffic are in this particular age group. Okay, 18 to 24. This is my majority age group. Okay, I should optimize the content for this particular audience, 25 to 34. Okay, these two are the major so I should optimize the content for this particular age group. The gender, male, female. Yeah, male and female. Yeah, the interest. Let me show you. I will show you. Yeah, this is the gender overview. Okay, 45% female. They are also in big numbers. So I should optimize the content for this particular audience and retain this audience, 54% male. That means I can add new image, new content, new video, or add new graphics or elements appealing to this particular audience. Okay, I can win over them, even female and male audience. So it is pretty self-explanatory. Sky is the limit. You can tweak the website the way you want. And the interest overview. You need to know the interest. Okay, this is not that important. And geography. I want to geography. The language and location. We already seen that. This is the location. Yeah, the language and behavior. New wins return. See, this metric is very important. New wins returning. Okay, how many guys are coming back? New visitor 569. Out of them, returning visitor is 93. That is 93. These guys are typing your website again and again. They're coming back again and again. This in past 1 month, out of 569, 93 visitors are coming back again. So this metric is very important. And frequency and engagement is we don't use much. And the technology they use. Okay, this is very important metric. Let me know the browser. The browser they use, Chrome, Internet Explorer. Make sure your website is working properly in this particular website, and the network means ISP. This is very important metric. And mobile, see 50 to 70% of the traffic nowadays is mobile. This information is very important. And see mobile traffic 339, desktop traffic, tablet. Okay, even tablet is very important. Make sure your website loads properly on tablet, and the device is used, the name of the device. You see, Google Analytics records everything, the IP, the data. Micromax, Apple iPhone. I think these guys are very rich people. Okay, their particular economic class can own an iPhone, even Samsung Galaxy. Okay, and custom audience. Yeah, let me see demographics. Okay, interest. Okay, technology. Yeah. Another most important metric is the go to behavior. Go to behavior tab, and you click the site content and all pages. We want to know which page is very popular in this particular website. Okay, this particular page is getting lot of hits. Root public HTML means the home page. Okay, so this particular page is getting lots of hits. That means I can add, even I can improve the audience rate. I can add an extra video, an extra image, a extra content. Okay, I can what to say, I can add more content. Okay, so that I will get more views for this particular website. I can add all the content. Okay, I can tweak the this particular page the way I want. This particular page is very popular in this particular website. Okay, and see, this is how we measure the analytics. Thanks for watching. Pretty self-explanatory. Bye for now.